fluff.
Hey, are you a business owner or entrepreneur and you want to get your first sale, your next sale, or scaling up your sales? Then you'll want to make this workshop. The ROI Ninjas Workshop, Creating Your Bullseye, is so you can speak to the right people and get your first sale, your next sale, or scaling up your sales. Without your bullseye, it's a lot like shooting blind in dark, but you have to get registered. And the 3 pieces of information you're going to get out of this is a mental exercise. It's not a 60-minute sales pitch. It's not 60 minutes of rah-rah, foo-foo stuff. It's 3 practical exercises to give you 3 useful pieces of information that you are going to create for your business or for your idea that you can start using today to start getting customers, to start building your brand, to get that first sale, to get that next sale, and to scale up your sales. But you can't do it without knowing what you're aiming at. Get signed up. This isn't going to be available anywhere else. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this, and I'm going to have some pretty cool prizes at the end of it for people that register. It's going to be a random drawing, but you got to show up. You got to be there. You got to get registered. That's the only way you're going to have access to this information or this workshop. And right now, this is not going to be available anywhere else. It will never be posted on social media. I guarantee you that. It's not going to be on our website. But I guarantee you, if you don't make this workshop, you're not going to get the tools that you need to create your bullseye and start getting sales. So click that button below or check out that link. Go to our website. It's going to be on our blog shortly. We have a special event landing page just for it. All you got to do is register. The event is totally free. It's 1 hour. The only way you're going to get in is click that button to get registered. No, seriously, click that button.